You like that ride?
Yeah, that was a good little ride. There's Luke and Amy riding around the tree farm a little. They sound like they're running awfully rough, though.
What, the sleds?
Yeah, just the cold.
I think it's also a low RPM.
Oh.
They like to go a little faster.
Well, even when I had mine going.
Rough like in what sense? Motor?
Yeah.
Wasn't a belt, was it? Wasn't a noise.
No, it sounded like almost metalish. You want to go again, Amy?
Go.
Go ahead. Hi, babies.
You got your key on you still?
Yeah.